So this will be a really quick tutorial how to solve a issue. So when I play this video file using my default Windows Media Player, you can see there's there only audio, no video. Or sometimes when we we try to play a file, then it will give us an error. So how can we fix that? So let me show you. When I open this with other media player, we get the visual as well as audio. So as you can see, so how can we fix that? So to fix that, we have to go to search and we have to type cmd for command prompt, and I'm going to right click on this and run this as administrator and yes for user controller box. So we will get this screen, or alternatively we can right click on this button and we can use terminal. Same thing will happen here. So I prefer using terminal because it gave me a lot of flexibility and also the font is bigger. So let's make it little more bigger. So as you can see, it is my terminal. So we have to install a codec pack. So I'm going to use Winget and then we have to search for it. Search LFE. We have to type this and it will display all available packages of LFE filter or splitter. So as you can see, there are a lot of file here, but we have to install this one LAV filter. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to use winget command again, winget install, and I'm going to paste the command and hit enter. So it will take a few minutes or few seconds to download from the GitHub page and install this on this machine. So we have to wait. And in the meantime, we can uh, actually another way we can fix this issue. You can install a codec pack. So I'm going to search for Winget, Winget, search, and I'm going to search for codec. So we have to install K-Lite Mega Codec or Basic Codec, whatever you use. You have to install one of these four and your problem will be solved. But I prefer using this version, and this is a LAV filter and all this full version included this filter along with some other kind of filter. So as you can see, successfully installed. So I'm going to play this again using Windows Media Player, or uh, you can use other media player. Now our problem will be fixed. So as you can see, we can see the visual. Alternatively, you can go to their GitHub page, and you can go to this website, and as you can see, and you can find their release page, and you have to download this and install this manually. Or alternatively, you can go to Codec Guide and you can download Mega Codec, or when I go to download is, you can see there are standard, full, mega, and also basic. You just have to install basic to solve this issue because it has LHV, it has LHV and splitter or filter. So that's it. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.